A final decision on whether the Jamaica Football Federation will continue with the current coaching setup led by 1998 World Cup star Theodore Tapper Whitmore now rests with the Michael Ricketts-led executive. Keon Rayner reports.
TVJ Sports understands that the JFF's executive committee is now in receipt of the recommendation from the 7-member technical committee, which state that they are not satisfied with the current coaching staff being led by coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore. This after Wednesday night's vote by a margin of 5-2 to dismantle the coaching setup in the meeting, which ended around 11 p.m. It is further understood that the Michael Ricketts-led 5-member executive could meet before the week is out to consider the technical committee's recommendation. Their decision will then go to the board to be ratified. Since returning for another stint in 2016, Coach Whitmore has recorded 23 wins, 14 draws, and 17 losses. In 2021, Jamaica suffered 7 losses while securing 3 wins and 5 draws. TVJ Sports also understands that of Jamaica's 3 coaches, only Paul Hall is expected to remain as part of the setup. However, his exact role in the program going forward is not yet clear. It's further understood that the technical committee also voted on the recommendation as to whether it is worthwhile for Jamaica's reggae boys to continue trying to qualify for the Qatar 2022 World Cup. 6 of the 7 members voted in the affirmative, given that the boys still have a shot at qualifying with a possible 18 points still to play for from 6 remaining matches. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.